Good morning dear students. Welcome to this video class of standard 5th mathematics on the chapter 5-digit numbers. In the last session we have learned how to read and write 5-digit numbers, the place value and how to write it in words. In this session we are going to learn how to form greatest and smallest 5-digit numbers, preceding and succeeding numbers, ascending and descending order, comparing the given 5-digit numbers and skip numbers. Let us discuss one by one. Yes. Now, to form a greatest 5-digit number, we have to arrange the given digits in a descending order. Descending order means from greatest digit to smallest digit. If we arrange these numbers in a descending order, we get like this: 9, 6, 5, 2, 1. So, after 1000 place we have to put comma and this number is read as 96,521. So, to get greatest 5-digit number, we have to arrange the given digits in descending order. Now, next, to form smallest 5-digit number, we have to arrange the given digits in ascending order. That means from smallest digit to greatest digit. Now this is the example. The digits are 2, 5, 6, 9, 1. Now if we arrange these numbers in ascending order, we get like this: 1, 2, 5, 6, 9. After putting comma, we can read this number as 12,569. Now let us take one more example for greatest and smallest. Example. Now 6, 3, 4, 2, 9. Now these digits I will arrange both like greatest 5-digit number and smallest. So if I want the greatest 5-digit number, I have to arrange these numbers in descending order, like 9, 6, 4, 3, 2. After putting comma, this number is read as 96,432. Now same digits, if I want to form a smallest 5-digit number, I have to arrange in the reverse order. That is 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. After putting comma, we can read this number as 23,469. So, with these given digits, I have formed greatest as well as smallest. For greatest, I have arranged in descending order, and for smallest, I have arranged in ascending order. Now, come to next point. So in forming smallest, we have one exception, that is, if the given digits in that, if 1 0 comes, for example, the digits are 3, 4, 7, 0, 9. Now in the given digits, there is 1 0. So as per rule, to form smallest, we have to arrange these digits in ascending order. If I arrange these numbers in ascending order, what I get? Three, 4, 7, 0, 9. So for smallest, I arrange in the ascending order. Say 0 comes first, then 3, 4, 7, 9. If I put comma, if I try to read this, I have to read it as 3,479. Then it will be a 3-digit number. So, to make it 5-digit, what we have to do is, we have to exchange the place of these two numbers. That is, unit 10,000 place and 1000 place we have to interchange. 3 comes in the place of 0 and 0 comes in the place of 3. Now, we can read it as 30,479. So, this is the smallest 5-digit number formed using these given digits. So this is applicable when only 0 comes in the given digits. One more note you have to find out, that is, instead of writing like this, if you write this is wrong. Because number means there should not be in between commas. We put comma after thousands place to read it. So if you put everywhere comma, I can't read it as 30,000. I can read it as 30479. So this is wrong. So this method is the correct method of putting commas after formation of smallest or greatest. This point should be noted. Next point. Preceding and succeeding number. So preceding number means before number and succeeding number means after number. To get preceding number, we have to subtract 1 from the given number. For example, the preceding number of 12,345 is. So what I can write here? 12,344 less than 1. So that is here 45 is there. If I write 44, it becomes the preceding number of this given number. To get succeeding number, add 1 to the given number. Example, now given number is 34,567. So my succeeding number will be, next number means this last digit should be increased by 1 or add 1 to this given number. We get 34,568. Next, ascending and descending order. So ascending and descending order means you know how to read and write now 5-digit numbers. So what you have to do in the given set of numbers, you have to find the greatest and the smallest number first. So here 30,435, 70,533, 20,411, 40,623. If I want to arrange these numbers in ascending order, I have to start from smallest. Here smallest will be the 20,000. So 2 is, if you see the 10,000's place, so 2 is the least number. So start with 20,000, then 30,000, then 40,000, then 70,000. If you arrange like this, this will be your ascending order. Now to find descending order, that is arranging the given digits in descending. Descending, in that you have to find the greatest 5-digit number. So here this is 23,000, here 34,000, here 12,000, here 45,000. So rest number you can forget, only concentrate on these first 2 digits. Later if all these numbers are same, then you have to go to 1000 place. Now here 45 is the greatest. So greatest number comes first. Then next greater number is 34,000. Next is 23,000. Then is 12,000. So like this you have to concentrate on first 10,000 place, then 1000 place. If both the places are same numbers, then come to 1000 place. Next point. Comparing the given 5-digit numbers. So any number, it may be 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit or 5 digit. Numbers are compared using the following mathematical signs. So this sign indicates symbol less than. This sign indicates the symbol greater than, and this you already know, that is equal to sign. So how to use these signs? Let's understand with the example. Now less than sign. Now I have here so to compare 2 numbers, you have to see each digit place. So here 3 is there, 3 is there, same number. Then next digit, that is 1000 place, here it is 5, here it is 6. So this is 35,000, this is 36,000. So 35,000 is greater or 36,000 is greater? Naturally 36 is greater. This is smaller, means this close end should come towards the smaller number. So this is read as 35,120 is less than 36,256. Now greater than. Now, this is 72,168. This is 29,229. So, see only these 10,000 place and 1,000 place. This is 72. This is 29. So, 72 is greater than 29. So, this open end comes towards this greater number. So, this is read as 72,168 is greater than 29,229. So, this is how you have to use this less than sign and greater than sign to compare any two numbers. Now, here this is 50,000, this is also 50,000. So, both the numbers are same, means what sign we can use here? Equal to sign. So, if all the digits this of the first number and the next number are same, then we have to use equal to sign. So, this is how you can compare any two 5-digit numbers. Next. Skip numbers. What are skip numbers? Or you can call it as missing numbers. Skip numbers can be found either with the help of preceding number or of the succeeding number. Sometimes by finding the common difference. If you take this first example, here two numbers are missing or two numbers are skipped. Here it is 30,453. 36,453, 39,453. If you observe carefully, the unit, tens and hundreds place are same everywhere. Now it is 39,000, this is 36,000, this is 30,000. If you see the difference between these two, how much is the difference? Or here you can see it is very easy, no number is skipped in between. Here 36,000, here 39. So 39 minus 36, if you do, 3,000 difference is there. So, if you add that 3,000 difference to this number, that is 30,000, you will get the skipped number. So, the skipped number will be 33,000. 30,453. Next number is 36,453. So, the common difference what you found is 3,000. So, this 3,000 I have to add to this number. So, that is 33,453 is your missing number. Same way, the last number, see here. 39,453, again we have to add 3,000 to this number, then it will become 42,453. So, this is one example of finding the skip numbers using common difference. Now, in the next example, you see 23,567. 23,568. Next number will be 23,569. Here it is a succeeding number. So here also it is 70 means next number will be 71. This is based on the succeeding number example. Now here it is 54,321. Number is skipped. Here it is 54,323. So one number is missing. So 1 is there, 3 is there. So if you minus 1, if you do, so you get 54,322. Here it is a preceding number. So all three I have given you the patterns of skip numbers. So this is the your 5-digit numbers chapter. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the group which I have created like the 5th A and B maths or mathematics 5th A and B group. There you can discuss your problems. Thank you, children.